In this lesson, we will be learning our next chord, which is called E minor. To play the chord E minor, we place our second finger in the second fret on the second string, which is the A string. And finally, we place our third finger in the second fret on the third string, which is the D string. When playing the chord E minor, you can play all the strings. Let's try to play the chord E minor together 4 times, using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, E